Little tidbits, reasons to buy a Grom, little shorts here and there. We'll just list some simple reasons. 1, super lightweight, easy to flick around. If you drop it, no big deal. I mean, look, it's like a little dirt bike. Super lightweight. Reason number 2, amazing on gas. I am not a light individual. I am a stout little hobbit person, as I like to say. I cannot call myself a fat kid because my son has the biggest heart in the world, and he says, "Daddy, don't call yourself fat. It makes me bad." So I am stout. We'll go with that. Rides me around just fine. Comes up the hills just fine. And calculated it, because I believe on paper it says 120 to 130 miles per the gallon. I, riding it my way, will pull around 110 miles to the gallon, which that ain't not bad. Let's do a little video walk around here. It's quite pretty. I do enjoy it. I picked this one up used. My situation was different. Got it in a trade for another bike. If you had seen some of my previous videos, you already know that story.